In diesel and some gas vehicles, the fuel rail pressure sensor ensures proper fuel delivery. If it fails, performance drops without warning lights. Watch for these signs of a bad fuel rail pressure sensor. Number 1. Difficulty starting engine. If you have a bad fuel rail pressure sensor, the ECU won't send the right amount of fuel to the engine. This will make it difficult to start your vehicle. Often, it may start, then immediately shut off. Eventually, the engine won't start at all. First thing, check the fuel pressure with a gauge. If the pressure is erratic or too low, your sensor could be failing. Sometimes, simply cleaning the electrical connectors fixes the issue. But if the readings are way off, it's time for a replacement. Number 2. Rough idling and engine stalling. Engine stalling might occur as the fuel rail pressure sensor goes from bad to worse. You will be driving and then suddenly, your engine will stall. It may also stall while idling. This will make driving extremely difficult, and it should motivate you to do something about it. Take your vehicle to the nearest auto shop right away and get your sensor replaced if it turns out to be the cause. Number 3. Poor acceleratio, pressing the gas but your car feels sluggish? Then you could have a bad fuel pressure sensor. The ECU misreads the sensor's data, disrupting fuel system signals and performance. Check your fuel pump and filter first. Make sure it's not a fuel delivery problem. If those are fine, a faulty FRPS is likely the issue. Replacing it should bring back your engine's power. Number 4. Check engine light. When your fuel rail pressure sensor goes bad, the check engine warning light may illuminate on your dashboard. This light activates whenever the engine control unit detects an issue within the vehicle that affects the engine in some way. This doesn't always mean the engine itself is bad, but rather something else in the vehicle which is not allowing it to do its job properly. P0190, P0191, P0192, P0193, and P0194 are the most common DTC codes indicating an issue with the fuel rail sensor. Number 5. Bad fuel mileage. When your fuel pressure sensor doesn't work like it should, you'll notice a considerable reduction in fuel economy and mileage. Either your engine control unit will send too much fuel or not enough fuel through the fuel rail and into the combustion chamber. You will quickly notice more trips to the gas station and more money out of your pocket. How much does it cost to replace? Alright, let's talk money. The cost to replace a fuel rail pressure sensor can vary quite a bit depending on make and model of your vehicle. On average, expect to pay between $200 and $340 total for a fuel rail pressure sensor replacement. Parts alone will set you back about $60 to $100, and the labor cost to replace the sensor will cost between $140 and $240. What causes the sensor to fail? Here are 2 of the most common causes that lead to the failure of a fuel rail pressure sensor. 1. Exposure to pollutants. Your car's fuel pressure sensor can get clogged and even damaged due to constant exposure to pollutants and impurities in the fuel. 2. Wear and tear. Like all mechanical parts, fuel pressure sensors are subject to wear and tear over time. Is it safe to continue driving with a bad fuel rail pressure sensor? While it's possible to continue driving, it's not the best idea. Not only can these symptoms be frustrating, but they also pose serious safety risks on the road. So take our advice, and don't push your luck. It's better to seek professional help.